Hello traders, Mark P. Markets here. My name is Mark Principato. I'm a chartered market technician, and thank you for watching another Bitcoin video analysis exclusively for FXEmpire. So in this session, I'm going to talk about what targets we're expecting for the following week based on the Bitcoin price structure that we're looking at right now. Okay, it's good to have a couple of scenarios in mind. So with that being said, let's get started. This is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Now, by the way, if you would like to know more about Greenbridge investing, there's a link in the text portion of this analysis that came along with this article. So please check out that link. It's greenbridgeinvesting.com, or you can go to bit.ly/market signals, okay? And you could learn about what we offer and how we do what we do. Or if you'd like to stop by and ask me a question, please do that as well. All right, so let's get started here with Bitcoin. Now, we took a swing trade back here. Let me show you real quick. Back here in this double bottom area, and obviously the swing trade has done very well. It's reached both of its targets. There's one more target to go, and that third target is at 48,650, and so far it's short by just a couple of hundred points, and that's fine. We're staying in that position. There's no reason to get out. Now, here's the thing. People keep asking, how much higher can this go? Where is the peak? Is this the peak? Blah, blah, blah. Well, here's the thing. And we've been talking about this. This structure that we're looking at right here is a wave 5. Okay, 5 of a broader wave 3, which is what this section is back here, right? 3, this is a broad 4, a broader 4. Now, this is a 5. The entire structure going back to the March low is actually a wave 3. Okay, so I don't have to show that here. But the thing is, when you're in a wave 5, it usually means that the peak is coming, okay, because it's the 5th wave, and after a wave 5 comes a broad corrective wave. All right, that's how, that's the theory behind Elliott Wave, and it works very well, especially forecasting emotional markets like Bitcoin. So in this wave 5 structure, right, this 5 of 3, in this impulse structure, we need to be able to count 5 waves before we can start saying, okay, the party may be over. Well, I can count in this structure 1, 2, this is a 3, this little section right here, this little red situation right there, which was yesterday, it's a wave 4, a mini wave 4, and now we're in the 5 of 5. Now, where this 5 of 5 completes is anyone's guess. There's no way to pinpoint, but the thing is, the momentum's bullish. We have a higher low, so we're anticipating this thing to take out the 50K area and possibly even test the mid 50,000 area over the coming week, because a wave 5 is usually a very powerful impulse wave, and it can extend. Now, once that wave completes, then we're looking at a broad wave 4. And a broad wave 4, if you want to get an example of what that looks like, I'm going to show you gold real quick. Right, this is what gold looks like. See this mess since August? That's what a broad wave 4 can look like. So Bitcoin can do something like that. It's good to be prepared for that type of scenario. All right, so my main point is this thing is poised to go higher. And even if there's some more noise here and we pull back a bit, as long as the 42K previous resistance, new support holds, okay, 42 and in the 40K area, right? That whole area is where support is. This thing is still in a bullish structure, okay? So that's what you have to keep an eye on. If it takes out those supports, then we may be in a broader consolidation, and that's something we have to get further price action on to confirm. Okay, again, you don't want to go into this with opinions, because opinions cause bias and they can get you to stay in positions that you really shouldn't stay in at times. So I don't have an opinion. I let the price action tell me, right, when it gets to a particular level. It's okay to have a scenario, but like I said, price action needs to prove it, and then we could make a judgment there as long as we can measure risk. So that's where we are with this thing right now. I mean, this area is good for position for day traders, maybe a swing trade if you're willing to take that risk with a 44K low, right, that swing low area. That's one thing you can consider. But the potential, again, this thing can run to the mid 50Ks, but the higher it goes, the greater risk of retrace you're facing. All right, so I'm going to leave you with that. If you have any questions, again, please reach out to greenbridgeinvesting.com. Come to our website. We have a free chat room, and we have a paid chat room. Okay, so My name is Mark P. Markets, Mark Principato. Thank you very much for watching.